All tornado vehicles deployments.
Storm is capable of producing golf ball-sized hail with straight lines. The safest places to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or a piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter in the lowest floor of a sturdy building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in a mobile home or vehicle, evacuate them and seek substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other spot.
2. Tornado intercept vehicle. 3. Tornado intercept vehicle 2. Same as the first one. Dominator. Dominator 2. Dominator 3.